Today's review is about this gold candle holder from IKEA. This is the gold candle holder. Its base and cable are made of stainless steel and the cone is made of glass. You can take it out very easily. There is this part here and there's this protection that you take out. You can see the base here. It has 10 centimeters height and 9 centimeters diameter. Use it with a small lit candle that you can put inside here. It can be cleaned with a damp cloth. All the material of this product can be recycled. You can put the candle like this.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.